Purport, no pause was. Today is Monday, March 8th. I have a lot of video catching up to do. So today we're going to start off with Tina Chin rejecting Aunty Donna's apology. And for those who don't know what happened, I'm going to refresh your memory with a video of Aunty Donna and then follow it up with what Tina Chin has to say about, I think, about 4 days ago or so. Alright?
Keep them not dry, not you see the top them look at me, do me mixture for them come so. When me done make me butter, me throw raw rum on top. And when you throw raw rum on the top of the cake mixture, when it bake, it go and come out like that because the rum crystallize. You see when you close the cake in the tin, and you take it out of the oven, it go stiff. You see when you lock it, go bring a tin, no, me not have no mass. You see when the cake cold and you put it down, it come moist. Enough baker don't know that. Them a throw spray rum on it when time it done bake. No. When you finish your butter, you throw the raw rum on the top like so and put it in the oven. And it lock in all of the moisture. You hear? Because I say somebody suppose somebody had say, me a throw. Me not have no time for girl. Me not have no time for careless people. Because me ever in my phone a bake, in my kitchen a bake. And I send out my own. It's a lady called me from Antigua this morning. And I cuss Paul about it. And you hear them a call you and I give you a message she give me. But they want to talk to me urgent. Don't come with your phone to me. So all I was say me a throw. But no deal with them demons. They come, me no deal with them and them live over here. Them parasite there. Well, lift by my name in everybody's phone. And I call my name to people, me not see them. My cake have a rough look. Anybody will know about baking. Me not have it done bake my cake and throw spray rum in the back. I used to see my granny do that and I don't do it. And I tell the woman from Antigua that. Ask anybody will come and come buy hundreds of cake we sell. Thousands of cake we sell. If when them cut it in my cake dry, me lock in the moisture. And somebody say me a throw a word upon them. How do them germs people there? How do them dirty people there in a phone and me and them torment with me? How do that dirty woman they were obsessed with me? How do that drunk and that crowbait woman they were obsessed with me? Me just had me pull Marcia phone. Yeah, me know me pull my phone to go put in the something. Me see somebody a message me about woman say me a throw a word upon her. Woman, you obsessed with me? Sell your cake them and your business and leave me alone. Because me never did that chat to you. For sure you eat up over here, so I'm not a friend. I'm tired of her now. And my name not palatable for come out of my mouth.
After you come slander my business for 2 whole years. With nobody, no, nobody who slander me unfairly and drag me unfairly and tell lie upon me, I am cool with. I can't be cool with nobody like that. My whole conscience won't allow me to be cool with anybody like that, Nikki. You mad? That's all she was concerned about, being on top. She was only concerned about being on top and getting as many followers as possible. Yeah? She don't go want get as many followers as possible. So by any means necessary, for the 2 years, she slander me forget as many followers as possible. So she can dip into the people them pocket. For the 2 years, she knew what she was doing. She not stupid enough. She might not be book smart, but she's a good con artist. She knew what she was doing. Nobody does wrong for 2 years and act like they don't know that it's wrong that they're doing. She knew exactly what she was doing, man. Because, she didn't want my followers, them. She didn't want, because it's a woman, we sit down and watch things, She pay attention to things, She will go like she don't come by your page, but she watch you, She watch you out, She watch, man. She will go like she don't watch, but she watch. She watch your every move, every blood cleating you do, she watch. She's an idiot. She is not a fool. Trust me. She's not a fool. She knows everything, every move she make, it's calculated. Every live she do, it's calculated, it's planned. Everything she do is planned. And the idiot, them not even see it. Them not even notice it. Them so fool, them not even really notice what I go on. I say, look on that plan here, come here now. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it to time, baby. I know, baby. I know, Vinette. I know, it's okay. She knew what she did. She tore me down. For 2 years, she tore me down because she want to build up herself. So she tear me down for the 2 years and then go on like say she's holy and she's so perfect. And yeah, she tear me down. She say what everybody want to hear. She do what people want. Yeah, you think she a idiot? She's not a fool. She is not a fool. She knew those entire 2 years. She knew exactly what she was doing. Okay? And when she feel like she's had enough now, when she feel like she's had enough, or when she feel like she reach, she lay down with her big house, with her big fat swatty hog pen looking self in her bed. I come and talk about, oh, me never know, I'm sorry to Tina, me never know, I'm not leave Tina alone. Like she do me a favor with her big house self. Now do me no favor, mama. You knew what you did for those 2 years. That's why I don't want to be no friend. None. Wicked, yeah? I don't want to be no friend with that. Just take sleep on my death. From that woman tell that lie upon me, she insinuated that lie that I call her phone. At that time, I know so she dangerous. She will get man for kill you. Hear me? And up to now, she don't mention nothing about that. Nothing about the way she say, where she insinuates say me call her phone. Where she never address the issue then. When she insinuates say me call her phone. Knowing damn well say never me call her phone. She never deal with the issue then because she knew what she was doing. She wanted to plant a seed of hate in the minds of her followers so that she can get way more money out of them. The more she used me as her doormat, the more she used me as the reason for whatever to build followers, the more money she get out of people. Remember now, I am the more hated, the most hated person on social media. So she capitalized on that for 2 years. And everything she did, she capitalized on it. She never tell the people them say, I never me call her phone. When she realized that her followers them were saying it's me, she never wants this so-called humanitarian. I hear him say, so-called humanitarian. Never once said, no, wanna stop it. It's not Tina Chin who called my phone. She never said that. She capitalized her fight instead. She capitalized her fight instead. Nicola, anything that person said, think the total opposite. She says what she wants to say to pretty much make her feel like that's not who she is. Trust me. It's all an act. I see past everything. It's all an act, honey. She just decides to say the right thing because it sounds right. But really and truly, that's not who she is. For 2 years, she capitalized on tearing me down. You know how much death threat me get because of she? You know how many death threats? So if me was 6 feet under, what should I go tell me? Tell my family, sorry? Eh? You know how much death threats I got because of she? What would I have gotten? Sorry? What my family would I get sorry from her? Hmm? Hmm? Sorry? You know how much death threats I got because of this humanitarian, this so-called humanitarian? Where you gonna say sorry? Hmm? She does not display nothing of a humanitarian. Nothing. She's as far from a humanitarian as a humanitarian is. Far and wide. She's not even close to it. She is not even close to it. Call me hater now. No call me hater now. I was a victim, so I can speak as much as possible. I can speak as... I felt it, so I know it. So I can speak. Some of you live vicariously through her, and it's weird. Some of y'all are living vicariously through her, and it's a weird behavior. It's weird to me. Hey, Nikki. It's weird to me. The whole I know I worship her. Some I know will come over here and show a mad face and I defend and all. I am not moved and I'm not impressed. I'm none of the above. You understand? I am not moved by it. I done it because I done it. I want some peace in my life, yeah? But with this conversation this morning, where I'm talking about all these women who decide to use me as them look a stepping stool to get to where them want to reach to, she's at the very top. She's at the very top of it. She's at the very top. I'm sorry, not sorry. You're sorry, not sorry. You're not sorry. And I will never forgive her for what she did, because I showed her nothing but love. So an indirect apology will never help. Will never cover the wound. It will not do that. Nope. Yeah. I showed you love and you gave me nothing but hate for 2 years. And I showed you love initially. I'm the first to show her love initially. And what I got in return was 2 years of trolling, death threats, tear down. Only can go and love her, but I cannot do it. And that's me being honest. I can't do it. Sorry. And that's my honest opinion. That's my honest feelings. I can't. I'm sorry, guys. If that makes me a bad person, then oh well. No, Nama. It's not going to happen. No. She used her platform to tear down my business for 2 years. I'm not going to be friends with nobody like that. She hurt me for 2 years. 2 years I sat down. 2 years. And she hurt me for 2 years straight. And didn't even have the nerve. She didn't even have the decency to apologize to me directly. Or call me up and say, you know what, Tina? No, but in true fashion, what she did, like what she always do, go up on her live with her big mouth, blah, 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 blah. Didn't have the decency to say, you know what? Boom. No, she never do that. Yeah, she hurt me for 2 years. 2 years she hurt me. Make me look bad to the world for 2 years because she realized that our platform grew bigger than how it's supposed to. Yeah, because she do it for likes and shares. Sutherland, she do it for views. She never do it from the heart. She did it for views. Yeah, them do it for her. She do it for likes and shares. So when she do it for likes and shares, now I start view her differently. Like, okay, so I saw you apologize to people. Okay. Yeah, me eventually one day I will. But me not reach that right now, Casanova. Maybe 2 months from now, maybe tomorrow, but me not reach that right now. It's a conversation when me and God I forgot have. Nothing hurts more than when you show somebody love and get hate in return. Nothing hurts more than that. And of course, it will be easy for her to apologize because she's the one who did it. But somebody, me, who was on the receiving end, it's going to take longer for me to forgive because I was the victim. You understand? I was the victim, not her. I was. So it's going to take a little bit longer because that hurt is very deep. Because I saw myself busting my ass to build my brand innocently. And here comes this woman and her platform tearing me down for no reason at all. So my forgiveness is going to take a little bit longer. It doesn't mean that I'm a bad person. It's just going to take a bit longer. Okay? I just want you guys to understand that. Because I am the victim. I was the victim. Okay? So I'm sorry if I cannot see it like how you guys are seeing it. But that's just how I feel. And you guys got to respect that for me being truthful and out there. You understand? You understand? Just respect that now because me I be honest with you now. And I like me I keep it in and I go and like say, oh no, me not be hypocrite about it. I'm being very honest with you. I can't. Not right now. I was trolled, got death threat. No, not right now. It's not going to be an overnight thing. It's going to take a little time. Nikki, you believe that bullshit? Nikki, do you believe that bullshit? Nikki, big man thing, you believe that bullshit? So for 2 years, you see everything going on and you never realize it. Come on, Nikki, come on, Nikki. Do you believe that bullshit? This was for 2 years. I can understand if it was one instance. It's been 2 years. So if the entire 2 years you were talking about, you hear me responding to something and you think it was your co-workers, come on, Nikki, come on. Use your head, use a big man, Nikki. Stop your bullshit. You believe that nonsense? Remember, 2 years. It continued for 2 years. Nikki, you don't believe everything too much. You don't believe, you're too gullible, man. So you sit down for 2 years and I cuss your co-worker them and hear me and cuss you and never even bother to wonder. And you are throw a word for me in the 2 years and where I never even think say something wrong. Your adult, just like how me step out and messaged her to ask her what happened. She never once did that. I did. Because I am the one of a sound mind who said, wait, something is wrong. Me step out and message her, I never got a response. And for 2 years, she did that. And never once in her adult age say, wait, let me find out how I go on from Tina. Nikki, you're too gullible, my girl. You're not too gullible. Bye. You're not too gullible. You don't listen, you don't believe everything you hear. That's why you name followers. That's why you was a follower of her, because you don't believe every last thing them tell you. If them telling you say the sky black, you believe too. Come on, man. Use your common sense and think for yourself. Yeah, tell me saying that the 2 years nothing no licking at your head for say wait. Something wrong, like something weird. Let me try figure long before it even got to 2 years. You wait until the end of 2 years when you feel like you're comfortable and you have it enough that you decide for send an indirect apology. Get the fuck out of here. Can't fool, nah fool me. Nothing hurts more. Let me tell you what hurts. When you're building something and it's your soul and your heart, and somebody come and try trample it. I try throw dirt by your hard work. Eh? Nothing hurts more than that, My business is my passion to me. And when you give nothing but love to a person and unexpectedly got hate in return, you know how hurtful that is? The fuck? That's like you loving your parent and your parents just keep abusing you and beating you and hating you over for no reason. It's the same type of idea. So it's gonna take me a little time to get over this. Not to mention the multiple videos on YouTube where people me a respond to where she has. You tell me say all them time that it never dawned on her that something for her to reach out and try to figure out what was wrong? Huh? Long before the 2 years? It never dawned on her? The hell out of here, people. Come on now, man. Come on. We're big people, right?